On a live look at Lakeshore Drive, right along the beautiful lake. Boy, beautiful color today. But we're tracking, you gave us one, and now you're giving us 2 and 3 threat-wise, right, Mary Kay?
3 to think about this weekend. You're right. Number 1, sunset to midnight. We have a marginal risk for severe weather. The strongest storms would contain gusty winds and also quarter or dime-sized hail. So hail and high winds are the threats for us tonight. That's the first batch. Then we look at Saturday. Most of the day is going to be like summer, windy, warm, and yes, middle 80s for daytime highs. But then in the late afternoon and evening hours, that's round number 2. Then as we go through the night, the main round with the area of low pressure pushing in on Sunday morning into the mid-afternoon is round 3. So there are actually 3 time frames that we're looking at this weekend. And the threats with these storms, it looks like it's going to be a wind and hail event for us. The flooding could be an issue if you get thunderstorms training in the same place. Right now, we have a 48-degree temperature with winds off the lake out of the northeast at 14 miles per hour. So at the lakefront, it is only 43 degrees. Think about that. Tomorrow, we're going to be at 85 at the lakefront because we'll have a strong southwesterly wind flow. And the reason for this whole thing is because cool high pressures to the north, winds come around this high in a clockwise position, pushing those cool winds off the lake. Here's the warm front. This is the key for this evening's thunderstorm activity. The warm air south of it is going to be lifting north. It's 87 in St. Louis, while we have 48 degrees, 81 in Indianapolis. This is lifting to the north tonight. And the dew point reading is so interesting. We have 37 degrees. That's for the dew point temperature. It's telling us that the cool, stable air off the lake put a lid on any thunderstorm chances all day long for us today. Well, now the lid is lifting off the pot, and the boiling water is taking place because you have the heat, the steam down here, all lifting northward along that frontal boundary. So by the time the sun goes down, we're going to watch for showers and storms. Right now on radar, it's very quiet, just a few scattered showers. And we see more energy over Iowa. A lot of these rain showers want to develop along that boundary as it lifts to the north. So the position this evening starts moving northward. Look at 8 o'clock tonight at sunset. We start seeing showers and storms. By midnight, they move out. The warm, windy day tomorrow. We stay in the warm sector on Saturday. Most of the day is dry till dinner time. Here's 5 o'clock, those late day storms. That's round number 2. Then round number 3 coming with us early Saturday into the Sunday into the midday hours because of the low traveling right overhead. So even at 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we are still going to have those thunderstorm chances overhead. Rain amounts look to be the heaviest along the Wisconsin border for the whole weekend. We could see more than 1.5 inches of rain in places like McHenry, also DeKalb seeing some heavy rain. 85 tomorrow, Brad. Sunday unsettled, the high of 75, but it's going to feel like summer for you.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Mary Kay.